Welcome to another video of Shopify Tyrant. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the potential of this business model. How much can you really make? Before I answer that question, I'd like to explain how this business is really going to work and what exactly you have to do. Well, for the purposes of this course, we're going to be focusing on the dropship model, which in my experience requires the least time, and even if you have no prior experience, you should be fine, as I'm going to be explaining everything you need to know about Shopify, about e-com, and everything in between. It doesn't matter if you're just getting started with Shopify or online marketing in general. Just follow along this course and you should be good. And now for the question, how much can you make? Well, you can literally make thousands of dollars every month and scale up as much as you want in multiple niches and have multiple stores for different niches. And well, at the end of the day, it's all going to come down to testing and how much time you put into your stores. Alright, thank you. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video.